Hey guys, welcome to 1385 Palms here in Venice, California. This is our newest listing we're bringing to the market. This is a super cool, warm, organic, modern, as you can see on one of the larger lots that you will find in Venice. A little over 8,000 square feet on the lot size. The house is a little over 4,000 square feet. The immediate things that you will notice as you come in is everything just flows. You have your living room, dining area, kitchen, family, that's all sort of combined into one. You have beautiful built-in cabinetry. Another really cool feature is you got poured in place concrete floors down here. And one of my favorite features is the board form concrete, which is just an art piece in itself. You almost don't even need to hang art there. It's just, I love the natural elements of this board form. You know, there's an art to doing this. And then you have additional skylights on top, so it really floods this place with natural light. Look at the ceilings. That's how you know it's not cheap design. They hand laid all the wood on the ceiling rather than just drywall, which most people do. And that's carried all the way through, so the attention to detail is really good. As you step in the kitchen here, you'll notice the concrete, just solid pour countertops here. Really like a chef's kitchen because you have so much space here to cook and entertain. Other details which I pointed out in there, you saw some of the custom millwork, but this millwork is carried through the whole entire place, so the kitchen just sort of flows into the family room over here with more custom millwork that matches the kitchen. You got a double-sided fireplace from the family room to the outdoor seating area, and you know, big picture windows, additional skylights. You do have a guest bedroom that we have dressed up as an office, but I love this office because it opens up to this beautiful front courtyard that you have with this awesome swing to hang out. So one of the immediate features that you'll see as you walk upstairs is you have this beautiful landing. Right now we made it kind of fun, a place for like little kids to hang out. You got the teepee, but you could have another office up here. You can have like a little workout or yoga or Zen place to do right here. I'll take you to the primary suite first. You have 3 bedrooms up here, as I mentioned, everything with its ensuite. But again, beautiful details with nice Venetian plaster through this whole place. Look at the volume and the scale of this room. Again, you got more of the custom millwork. Really nice patio right there as well. And then let me show you the primary bathroom here, which is beautiful. You have the shower and the tub sort of in one zone. You have dual vanities, one big vanity with dual sinks. Really nice fixtures, really massive closet here. There should be no issues for anybody looking for a good sized closet because you got a really large closet in here. In fact, you could probably put a little center island in here if you needed it. You have your laundry room up here, which is nice. You don't have to take your stuff up and down. You have one room here with its own ensuite bathroom, and then one additional room right here. So as you guys can see, we got a killer backyard here. Every house has to have a good outdoor kitchen. You got a nice barbecue. You got a sink to wash your hands or wash the meat or fish or whatever you're cooking. You got a fire pit. I love a good sunken seating. You can put custom cushions here if you needed them. You got a killer pool with a spa inside of it. Nice details with the wooden deck that surrounds it. And then you got an additional seating area over there. You got the ADU up there with its own bathroom and shower, 2-car garage, a grassy area over there. As you can see, the vibe here is off the charts. I just want to jump in this pool. Location is amazing, house is amazing, vibe is amazing. So if you guys know anybody looking, hit us up.